Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Schoolers International Television. You see that? 1990 something, you know what I mean?
Police.
Old school police car, man. You see that? Go behind it, man, so I could get it captured. You know I have to put this one on YouTube, right? Yeah, I have to put this on YouTube, man. Real antique police car. 19 something. I don't remember the year, but it's real old school.
Probably 68.
Yeah. Maybe 1968, you know what I mean? Reporting live on Schoolers International Sound System Television, you know what I mean?
Better number too.
Yeah. Police 13, so you know what time it is, right? Yeah, they say 13 is a bad number, so I could zoom it up a little more, man. Okay, we get the full. So you see 13 now. Police 13. Real antique police vehicle. You see that? Real old school. From Bob Marley Was a Boy. You see that? Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Police 13 is the car number. Real old school. Yep.